All right. So this is by a company called XREART. I have actually linked this product in the description below. So if you're looking for a piece of like techie decor, I've seen this on a lot of YouTuber channels actually. They take different electronics pieces and they basically take them apart and make art. But look at this packaging. It's quite elegant, I gotta say, but it's got like a legit like stamp. That's not fake. And then it's like wrapped like a gift with a ribbon in their own custom wrapping paper. Everybody's favorite part here. Oh yeah. You know, it's kind of really stuck in the glass. It's a deconstructed iPhone 4 to be specific. Wow. So this is the actual piece here. Now I just wanted to get the plastic off of the frame. Yeah, okay, here we go. Here we go. So it's not actually even glass. Probably better maybe if they're shipping it. This came from overseas. But let's reassemble this thing here. This is the piece here. I'm gonna pop it back in the frame. Again, this is by XREART, and they have all sorts of different tech gadgets that are in frames like this. The iPhone 4 was my first smartphone, so it has some sentimental value. It was so sleek, typing on, you know, display glass and with the little letters coming from T9. You guys remember T9 on your flip phone? And I'll really quickly show you guys. Yeah, this is the website. Again, link is in the description to this website. They make all sorts of iPhones and like Game Boy Colors and retro Game Boys. So they are quite awesome little pieces. If you are somebody who's sentimental about one of these items, I think it would make definitely a great gift for that special tech savvy somebody in your life.
Okay, so here's the final piece now on the wall. I think it looks great. As always, price links and there's a discount code below if you're interested in checking this product out. If you're looking for some other wall decor or a way to decorate your wall, I've done a video on an artificial hedge wall with the neon sign combo, which goes together perfectly. Check out that video if you really want to do something special, decorate your space. This is the Future Space Collective, where we explore the world of products for imagination. Don't forget to hit that like button, and please consider subscribing to the channel if you like the idea of products for imagination, bringing you the freshest finds to light up your space. I'll see you guys in the next one.